Hello, today I'm going to be demonstrating a couple projections of the wrist, starting with the PA, and then I'm going to be making my way up to the PA oblique and also the lateral. For this projection, I'm going to be shooting it at a 60 kVp with a 3 mass. My patient is seated at the end of the x-ray table. I have already asked her to remove her watch and her rings as well too. I'm at a 40 SID for this projection. Okay, so let's check our collimation, our central ray. Central ray is going to be coming in the portion mid-carpal area, right over here. I'm 2.5 inches on the side borders right here, showing the proximal phalanges. I have my left marker in placement already, and my patient is in a bear claw position because it reduces OID. I'm going to go ahead and shield my patient. This is the only shield that I have right now. Usually, when I have a female, it would have to go up to her breast area and also her neck. But for now, this is just an example. I'm going to be shielding her right over here. Okay? So again, central ray, mid-carpal area, and I'm showing side borders for my marker. I'm going to go ahead and expose, okay? Okay, don't move, okay? 3, 2, 1, beep, x-ray. Okay, I'm going to be changing out my cassette. It's going to be another 10x12 cassette. I'm going to remain at the 40 SID. My patient will remain shielded. For this projection, my patient is going to laterally rotate her wrist 45 degrees. Okay, as so. Again, I'm showing proximal phalanges at 90 on the axilla and on the elbow. The axilla is in contact with the table as well too. Central ray is going to be coming out of the portion mid-carpal area. Same. I'm on an inch on the side and my left marker is in placement, okay? Same tech factors for this. I'm going to go ahead and expose. 3, 2, 1, beep, x-ray. Okay? I'm going to be changing out my cassette. It's going to be another 10x12. For this one's going to be the lateral. It's going to be like a lateral hand. We're going to karate chop the wrist, and I want to just make sure that my patient's in the true lateral position. So what I do is put my 2 fingers to make sure it's in the true lateral. Again, 90-degree angle. Axilla in contact with the table. I have my left marker on the lateral side. Central ray, mid-wrist. Again, patient will be shielded and same SID, same tech factors, okay? I'm going to go ahead and expose. Okay. 3, 2, 1, beep, x-ray. For the last view, it's going to be called the Stetcher method. And for this, I'm going to have to rotate my patient a little bit. Olga, you can go ahead and stand up for me, please. Thank you. So for this projection, our main focus is the scaphoid. So my patient's going to sit down right over here and going to have your hand like this, okay? Hand straight. And then now to demonstrate the scaphoid view, for this projection, I'm going to be shooting it at the same tech factors as before, 60 kVp with a 3 mass. Again, I'm going to be at a 40 SID. Show you guys I'm at a 40 SID for this projection, okay? For this, my patient's going to be seated at the end of the x-ray table. Her forearm's going to rest on the table as well too, and I want to just make sure that I'm going to center at the scaphoid, and since I don't have a 20-degree foam wedge, I'm going to be using 2 cassettes, so that would equal the 20-degree. So when I have a wedge, or when I'm compromising for this, I'm going to be shooting perpendicular to the scaphoid. But if I didn't have this, I would have to angle my tube 20 degrees towards the elbow, okay? So let's check our central ray and our collimation for this. So again, you just want to make sure that the scaphoid's in the middle of the cassette, as so. Okay, 1 second, I'm going to be fixing it. And central ray will be coming out of the portion towards the scaphoid right over here, okay? And I'm going to be opening up my collimation. 1 second. Be fixing it. I want to make sure that I'm at 20 degree from the table right here. And again, central ray is going to be coming perpendicular to the scaphoid. Okay, central ray is at the scaphoid. I'm 2.5 inches and an inch on the lateral sides. My marker would be in placement. 1 second. This time it's going to be my right marker on the patient's side right over here. Okay, and again, central ray perpendicular to the scaphoid. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and expose, okay? 3, 2, 1, beep, x-ray. And again, my patient would be completely shielded for this, from the top all the way to the bottom. And yeah, thank you.